This is so exciting, guys. Last touches after waiting so long. We have our freestanding tub there. We still have to obviously paint and stuff, but let me just show you guys. It is looking good.
Now I'm going to touch up the wall for one last coat. Alright guys, so I have a pop-up drain I'm going to install. I'm not going with the regular pull rod. I'm not doing that with this here. This is going to be a lot easier. Alright. Here you don't need silicone because it comes already with a rubber gasket. This is a plastic drain, so I'm only going to go hand tight on this. Now connect my drain. I got my nut here. I got my 1 1/4 inch washer.
You got your nuts?
I'm filming.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Let's try it out. It's pretty good. No leaks. It's good. Alright guys, so now that I have my freestanding tub in, I'm going to install my drain. Now I took it apart because Ayana's going to hold it from the top while I go into the basement and tighten it. There's a nut that goes right on just like this. Goes in from the top, and then you tighten it up with a nut from the bottom here with the gasket. That's it. Ready? Mm-hmm. Alright, you put that in. I'm going to go in the basement.
Looks tight.
I'm going to use 1 1/2 inch drain pipe to come down from my drain that I have here. And I sanded my ends. I'm going to use black ABS cement. Just like put it on really good. I say a little more is good than not enough. Because once it's stuck on there, it's stuck on. Just like that. Put it right up in there and twist. Just like that. Okay. Down to the next joint. All right, so now we got the drain all tied in. We're gonna put the cap back on.
Got it.
All right, good, good. Let's fill it up with water and see if it holds. Let's go. Yes, yes, yes. We got running water. Now, get ready to surprise my wife. You like that?
Yes, I'm so so excited.
What do you think, huh?
I can finally take a bath, guys. Guys, it's been a long time since I've taken a bath. And I'm super excited. Well, I've been taking showers, I mean baths. Baths. It's been a long time and I miss it. Oh, I'm so excited. And it's black, baby. Everything matches so perfect.
Everything goes together.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah,
Thank you.
welcome.
I'm excited.
All right.
All right. Now it's time for you to get out. The size of the vanity, the bathtub, everything just made such a difference.
This is looking really good. What's the difference with some tiles, some color, and a freestanding tub to do? Got so much space. So much space. I love it. It made this bathroom bigger. You loving it, hon?